Today we're going to be talking about the best temperatures for your fridge, your freezer, or even your third refrigerator drawer, depending on what model refrigerator you're buying. Whenever you get a new refrigerator and you plug it in, your fridge is always going to be factory set to 37 degrees, your freezer to 0. Now, this is just the manufacturer's recommendation. You can certainly go colder, you can certainly go warmer, but as far as the day-to-day, that is the best temperature to keep your unit. If you like your things a little bit cooler, most fridges are going to go down to about 34 or so in that main cavity. Freezers go down to about -4, but be careful. The colder that you're going to get it, that freezer is what's passing air to the fridge, and you might ultimately freeze some unit product that is in the back of the fridge near that air tower. When you open your third drawer, depending on the model of refrigerator you buy, some of them are going to have presets, like this model here. Meat is actually at 29 degrees, so that's a soft freeze setting. So that's below freezing, but not low enough that it's going to get solid. You have the beverage setting, which you have to unlock to change the temperature settings on this one. You go to beverage, 33, so that's just right above that freezing level. Going up into snacks, 37, so that's going to be pulling the same exact air temperature from the refrigerator cavity. And then you even have a wine chiller setting on this model, so up in the low 40s where people want their whites and their champagnes. Some models with a third drawer, this is actually going to be fully convertible to a freezer, down into the zeros and the negatives if need be for that extra freezer storage. But a vast majority of what's on the market is going to be refrigerator drawer that could be pulling a little bit cooler air or a little bit warmer air than the refrigerator section.